Okay, so look at this. Today, Parliament has been debating Vande Mataram for 10 hours. But we have consciously chosen on News Today to focus on issues of today. Because a Viksit Bharat cannot be built from the rear view mirror. It has to be built by looking at issues for today. So what did I focus on? On the Goa fire, which is a classic example of corruption in the system, and the Indigo issue, which again shows what happens when you create monopolies and duopolies. They affect the citizens of the country. But I will leave you with the Vande Mataram debate. 150th anniversary of our national song, another opportunity for Prime Minister Modi to hit out at the Congress and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in particular, whom he said succumbed to pressure from Muslim League to remove 2 stanzas of Vande Mataram. And Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who hit back claiming the BJP remained obsessed with Nehru and not the real issues of our day. You decide who won that debate, Prime Minister Modi or Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. For now, all I can say, stay well, stay safe, good night, Shubh Ratri. This will be the program that will continue to focus on the issues of today that matter to Indians today to build a better tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Stay well, stay safe, good night, Shubh Ratri.
कांग्रेस के तत्कालीन अध्यक्ष जवाहरलाल नेहरू को अपना सिंहासन डोलता दिखा। बजाय कि नेहरू जी मुस्लिम लीग के आधारहीन बयानों को तगड़ा जवाब देते और वंदे मातरम के प्रति खुद की भी और कांग्रेस पार्टी की भी निष्ठा को प्रकट करते हैं, कांग्रेस ने वंदे मातरम पर समझौता कर लिया।
मोदी जी का अपने भाषण में ही कहना कि राष्ट्रगीत को एक विभाजनकारी सोच द्वारा काटा गया, उन सब महापुरुषों का अपमान है जिन्होंने अपना पूरा जीवन इस देश की आजादी की लड़ाई में झोंक दिया। वंदे मातरम को विभाजित करने का आरोप लगाकर आप पूरी संविधान सभा पर आरोप लगा रहे हैं।